We Americans love big cars, big credit, and big nuclear reactors. But nothing is more American than litigation, baby.
Your Honor, is there something wrong with you?
The fight over net metering is the latest example. It seems even the pursuit of a greener future can't escape the courtroom. Net metering 3 really shaded solar growth in the sunny state of California. But if this assembly bill passes, could it mean a new lease on life for the California solar industry that has already lost almost 20,000 jobs and numerous company shutdowns? Hello, I'm Sinue, and this video is brought to you by DroneQuote, helping people buy solar and roofing. Thank you for watching, and click subscribe if you enjoy this video and feel we earned it. What's the fight about? Let's take a moment to understand how net metering 3 hit the solar industry, making solar far less appealing. This policy change has been devastating. Sales plummeted 83% year over year, forcing over 100 solar companies into bankruptcy. California, a national solar leader, has seen massive cutbacks. Research suggests 17,000 solar workers were laid off, impacting their families and the broader economy. For potential solar customers, NEM 3 means solar panels now offer about 75% less value with double the payback periods. You're either stuck with higher utility bills or made to shell out extra for battery storage. And even if you don't have solar, this issue matters. NEM 3 hurts an entire industry and casts doubt on California's commitment to clean energy. It's a tough time for anyone dreaming of a solar-powered future in California, but there's hope on the horizon with Assembly Bill 2619. Can this Hail Mary turn things around? What is AB 2619? Let's break down this bill that aims to restore solar benefits. It's brought to you by District 12 Assembly Member Damon Connolly. Represent. AB 2619 aims to make solar a good deal again. Fairer compensation for the power you generate, more savings for California solar owners, and a boost for the struggling solar industry. It's also meant to help California get back on track to reach 100% clean energy by 2045. This bill could literally change the energy landscape, making solar accessible for more people and restoring jobs. But how does AB 2619 benefit you specifically?
What's in it for me?
Let's dig in. First off, cheaper electricity. It's no secret California power prices are brutal. In 2022, 22 cents per kilowatt hour was about average. Now it's closer to 26 cents. This bill aims to reverse that trend by letting you use sun power to lower your electricity bills. But this isn't black and white. We get it. Solar will help you reduce utility bills. Yet someone has to pay to keep our power grid going. How do we fairly balance costs between solar and non-solar customers? What do you think a good solution could be? Whatever the outcome, electricity rates will continue to increase and people will look to solar energy as a solution. How do we keep things fair for everyone? If NEM 3 is overturned, the benefits and costs of solar power must be shared. Think of the grid like being our communal resource. Can solar help our power grid, especially during peak hours? Imagine stored solar energy released when demand is highest. Wouldn't that be better for everyone? Should all future solar customers install batteries alongside panels to help out? Let's get creative. How about a two-tiered system? One rate if you don't have batteries and a higher rate if you do. Wouldn't that encourage investment in batteries, which offer benefits like blackout protection anyways? Hopefully Assemblymember Connolly can push this bill through. To show him support, find his Facebook page in the description below. And if all this talk made you wonder about solar or energy storage for your home, click on the link below. We'd be pleased to answer your questions and help you discover if a home battery would be a fit for you. People who live in areas with favorable net metering rates may pass